wanna know what it's like, I can't stay here forever, stay here forever. No. Baby, I'm just keeping it real. You hold me down on the weather, down on the weather. You pull me down, down, da, down, 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 da, da, down. I try to turn it around, but you pull me down, down, da, down, down.
Hi gems, welcome back to another video. So for this style, I'm going to be using some passion twist. I'm also going to be using some blue magic hair oil, and I'm going to be using these elastic bands to create this style. So yeah, let's see if we can go ahead and do that.
Yeah, so this is my hair. I'm going to be attempting to do a style. I have the idea in my head. Now I'm going to see if I can bring it to life. I'm going to see if it's going to work how I want it to work. So yeah, I'm going to do some of my hair and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how I do it. For me, I like to practice first off camera to make sure I get it right before I come to you guys. Oh, next thing, sorry. What is my gel? Where is the gel? Here is the gel. For my hair, I like to get it laid and slicked. I'm going to be using this thing here. It's a pure, that's what it's called, Pure Natural or Pure Hair Solution product. Neat braid. It's a neat braid conditioning gel. So I'm going to be using this one. So yeah, I'm going to try to do something. And my hair is freshly washed and blow dried. And I use my Blue Magic hair oil on my ends just to seal them. So yeah, let's install this passion twist. And yeah, I want to show you guys the next part of the hairstyle. But we'll get to that, okay?
Okay, so this is the style. I am just going to show you guys how I do it. I'm not sure if this is detailed enough, but you know, I hope you guys understand when I'm explaining. So I'm just going ahead and I'm parting my hair. I'm using a rat tail comb here. Again, like I said, my hair is washed and blow dried, and I'm going to be using the Pure Natural braiding gel. I really love this stuff, to be honest. It really slicks my hair, and I like the curl pattern that I get when I add it to my natural roots. My hair is relaxed at the ends, but I am transitioning, so I am actually growing out the relaxer from my hair. I'm going natural again for the umpteenth time. Okay, so I'm adding some almond oil, jojoba oil, to my elastic bands just so they don't rip my hair out, and I am just adding an elastic band to the part. So I am using these passion twists. These were some pre-twisted passion twists that I bought. I actually wanted them to do a crochet style. I think it's 10 inches, but I decided to try this style instead. So yeah, so I'm using my crochet hook and I'm just inserting the crochet hook inside that section there, and then I am pulling the passion twist through. Then I'm gonna be braiding. I'm braiding a little bit down, maybe 2 inches, 3 inches for some, until I feel secure enough that the hair won't pull out, and I'm gonna start twisting the passion twist. I'm following the same twist pattern that the passion twist came in, so that it will be easier for me to twist. I tried twisting the opposite way, like, you know, that rope pin method, but I didn't like how it looks, so I decided to just do it regularly. You know, I wanted to do some boho passion twist, I think, so I decided to opt for this. So this is what it's looking like after I twist it, right? So I'm doing that throughout my head, and then we're gonna add the curly hair. Okay, so this is the star of the show. This is a curly hair from ISEE Hair, and this is my packaging. It's always a beautiful pink package, guys. I did get a wig melting band, the care package, their social media angles, and this is the hair. I have their Burmese curly, I think in 20 inches it is, and it is in the natural color, so it is a little bit brown. If your hair is dark or black, 1B or 1, I would suggest dyeing it. I didn't do that because it didn't bother me. And this is the curl on the ends of the Burmese curly. We all know Burmese curly is very popular, everyone is using it, and I really wanted to try. Okay, so I'm gonna be adding the Burmese curly hair to my passion twist to give it that boho effect. Again, I know everyone has been doing the miracle knots, but I kind of wanted to try something else just to see how it works. I'm not sure if I will try it again. It came out really pretty, but it was really fluffy, so it was like a lot, you know. It wasn't really heavy, but I could tell that something was on my head. So I'm just putting the crochet hook through the passion twist, and then I'm just pulling the other end of the Burmese curly hair and I'm just making a loop, and then I am just locking that onto the passion twist. That's basically how I do it. Normally with the miracle knots, you plait or braid it at the end of the hair, but I'm not doing that because I'm leaving the end of the passion twist out. So I am just putting it like 2 to 3 inches above the end, and then I'm just crocheting it in, if that makes sense. And I'm adding 2 pieces of the miracle knots, miracle braid or miracle hair of the curly hair to the passion twist. I hope that makes sense. I just hope it makes sense. So again, I am feeding in or adding, crocheting in 2 pieces. I put one at the very top, right up there, and then I'm putting another piece at the end or close to the end. I'm leaving the end of the passion twist out. I'm not twisting it in, braiding it in, or anything like that. I'm leaving it out just to give it that boho effect. Again, like I said, this was like trial and error for me. I might do it differently next time, but let's see. This style took me around 8 hours, approximately 8 hours. I started like at 2 p.m. and I finished doing my hair at 9 p.m. It's a lot of work to be honest, but you know, I was really feeling it. Like, look at it, look how full it is already with the whole passion twist. I had the whole idea in my head that it was going to turn out good, but you know, this is what I got at this point. I was like, I don't know if I should continue, but I've invested so much time, so let me just see. Look at the back of my hair, guys. I was really happy with the back of my hair. I was like, oh my god, I did that. Okay, so this is the hair all done. This is like a week after, I think, and like I said, it is full. It is full. I'm going in to define the curls. I'm using some water and my Lotta Body mousse, and I'm just saturating the hair with some water, and then I'm going to be adding the mousse to it, and I'm going to be using my detangling brush just to detangle the hair and kind of clump the curls a little bit on the ends. The hair was really nice, guys. I really love the curl pattern of this Burmese curly hair, and even when I pulled the hair apart, the curls were still standing, which I really do like. If you want to try miracle knots here or any boho style, or just overall want to try this crochet hair, like this is like a upgrade to sewing, you know, easy. You can do it on your own. You don't have to use it to do this style. You can just do any style you want, half up, half down, whatever you decide. Look at the curls. And this was like a week or 2 after me installing the hair, to be honest. I wanted to let you guys see what it looked like, you know, being freshly installed. For this section here, I really thought my whole head was showing, but it's not. But that's how it is looking. It is really long because I used the 20 inches and the passion twist were like 10 inches. So once I added the hair, it kind of stretched, and that's where it is. I am 5'6", and it is way past my waist. I really like the style. It was fluffy, it was full. The curly hair was just gorgeous. Everyone liked it. I got so many compliments on this style. It didn't turn out bad, to be honest. I know I said it was like a trial and error kind of thing, but I really like it. The Burmese curly hair from ISEE Hair is just fire. It just took the style up to another level, you know, like top notch. Top notch. I really love the hair. It's really good. I took it out, I had removed it, but I'm gonna be reusing it for something else, so you guys will definitely see it again. Maybe I'll just install it as is, but I enjoyed this here. Okay, it was awesome. It was awesome. If you want to pick this hair up, if you want to try the miracle knots hair, and you want to try the Burmese curly, go ahead and check out my description box. I'll have all the information down below, as well as a discount code for you guys to check out. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. If you like the style or you'll try it, please let me know in the comment section. Let's have a chat. And that's gonna be it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.